Morning, YouTube. Saturday morning. It's a little chilly outside. It's -9 today. See the snow? Not very much snow. Just a little bit. There's birds. There's lots of birds out. Look at these birds. You see them? They're eating something. They look nice. Or they're eating seeds. There's seeds there. See them? Or no, they're eating this fruit. They're eating this fruit off the tree. Yeah. Yeah, they're eating the fruit. There he is. And there's some more over there. They're eating the fruit. Yeah, off that tree. Red fruit. Yeah, it is kind of chilly today, but I have to go for my walk. Saturday morning walk. Yeah, see down there, there's a little bit of snow. Then this way, there's snow. Yeah, lots of snow. Quite a bit of snow. Halloween decorations. And all that. Yeah. Here, I'll switch to the front. Oh, can't look away. There, that's the way I'm going, see? See how snowy it is? Or it's not that snowy. Just a little bit. There I am. There. I have to put my glove back on. Right. There. I put it back on. See that way? See behind me? There's nothing behind me. Pretty happy today. Again, look how red my face is getting already. Yeah. I guess it's gonna be an early winter. Maybe it's gonna stay like this for Halloween. Halloween's next Saturday. So it'll be a chilly Halloween, I guess. It's gonna stay like this. Well, it doesn't matter to me. I don't go Halloweening. Well, there won't be much of a Halloween anyways. No, not this year. No. You know how happy I am today? I don't know why. I'm just happy today. There's a better view there. That's a good view. Nobody walking today again. There, it's starting to snow a little bit again. Starting to snow a bit. Yeah. So I'm going that way. Wait, I'll switch it again. Oops. There's my hand. But I'll switch it just about. I'm gonna go to that. My favorite part where you can see the river where it's opened. Yeah. I'll show you the river, and then I'll just go in the path a little bit. See? Nobody again. Nobody, not a soul around. Not a soul. Is walking a dying art. It's a little chilly, but you can still go for a walk. Some people can't, so I can see that. But if you're able-bodied, Get out. Go for a walk, a stroll. Seize life while you can. That's my little bit of wisdom for today. Oh, just me rambling. Oh, look. Somebody came and had McDonald's coffee on a bench. I don't know if that's last night. Oh, it's calm. River's calm today. Oh, it looks nice. I'll show you the river. How calm it looks. See, look. It's not even no waves, or it's not even moving fast. It's just calm. It's a nice picture, eh? Panoramic view. I'll do it once more. There's the river. So quiet, oh, you can't even hear anything. Oh, I hear something. Oh, it's just me. Yeah, fooling around again, huh? Being silly. Did you see how nice and calm the river was today? Yeah. I have to put my glove back on. Yeah. See how nice it looks? The path. There. Got my glove on. There's the scenery. Everything, all the leaves, most of the leaves are gone. Everything's snow. A bit chilly. Yeah. But it's nice. I don't mind the cold or anything. There's still seagulls around. I thought they would have been gone for the winter already. Seagulls flying around. There's a big, get better shot. Nobody behind me? Yeah. Just checking. Just checking. See, there's the park. See? Wonder if you could see that snow. It's snowing, yeah. It's a crow. Making this crow noise. Here, I'll switch it to the front again so you can see the front. Yeah. My glove off. There's the front view. See how, oh, there comes the snow, see? See the snow? Snowing. Snowing a bit. There's the flag. See the flag there? Yeah. Our big Canadian flag. Yeah, there, see? Panoramic view of my town, my small town in Canada. Yeah. Oops, my big glove. And I'm back. I wonder if you can see my breath. That's how cold it is. But it looks nice. It's snowing a bit. Little bit of snow. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I think it looks beautiful and it snows. Snow all around on the trees. And back of me. can hear my feet. You hear them? That's how I'm wearing running shoes. I didn't put my boots on. No, I didn't put my winter boots on yet. Yeah. You can hear my feet. I'll show you my feet. You hear though? Nice crisp snow. Yeah, my feet. See how it looks down there? It's all dried up. All dried up. It's pretty chilly. My nose is starting to run a little bit. I'm heading on just about to the bridge now. Yeah. Yeah, and then after I pass the bridge and all that, that'll be my video for today, I think. Yeah. A little chilly in Canada today. Not bad, but not bad day. No. I didn't really see anything, just birds. Birds eating the berries off the trees. And all the trees here. There's the park. Or there's the other side of the park. There's nobody. There's the bridge. That's where I'm going. That's where I've been, back there. Yeah, you have to try to be happy in life. Yeah. That's my words of wisdom too today. That's it, be happy in life. And there's the bridge. Coming up on the bridge. There's the church over there. Hey, oh, you probably can't see it. It's way over there. There's the flag, there's the bridge, there's me. Okay, there's some scenery, you see. And there's the train bridge, see it? Starts there and goes all the way across to the other side. Yeah, that's where I've been. I started there, I went around on the path all the way to here. But I think I'll end it pretty soon. Or here's some more berries. I'll show you these ones. See, they're dying. See? Some are red and some are. I don't know if the birds can eat those. I don't see them eating those. They might be poisonous, those ones. Yeah. There's the train bridge. You see it? There's the regular bridge, the car bridge. There's the river. Yeah. And then there's underneath the bridge. There's still that big pile of sticks there, all stuck. And it's not going, it's pretty low, I guess. And here's under the bridge. It's pretty spooky. See the bridge? It goes all the way there. There's the train bridge too. Okay, that's my video for today. Okay, bye. Everybody have a good rest of the Saturday then. Okay? Everybody have rest of a good Saturday. Bye.